All right, we've got the cart loaded up with all of our transplants and we've prepped the space. This was covered with a DeWitt woven ground cover fabric for a couple weeks now when it was hot out. And we have ran a stirrup hoe through here to kind of break up stuff. And so now we're gonna make our plan for spacing all the baby plants. Aren't they pretty? We've got lava lamp lettuce, tot soy. This is some purple leafed bok choy, I believe. There is some basil in here. Lettuce, cabbage, broccoli. So I'm doing this kind of fast actually because my van broke down and I'm gonna have to catch a ride back home. So what we're doing is laying out the plants with me, and I'm doing like a grid pattern of where everything's gonna go. And so I will show you what that looks like. So here I've put a mini broccoli, a tot soy, a bok choy, some lettuce. That's what we're gonna keep repeating until I run out of plants. So I've already put the mini broccoli down the center, and now we're just gonna walk along it and fill this in. On this outer edge where Eleanor is, I'm gonna put cabbages. Here's what we've done so far for transplants. I am gonna direct sow some things around. So I'm thinking beets, might try to do carrots, maybe some kale. So I am putting these different cabbages and broccolis all over in different sun exposures and different soil types and different parts of the property to see where I get the best harvest from. Plus, if something takes out a crop in a section, I have backups. So on this end, where we have this new garden where we put that winter hardy kiwi, I've got all of these broccoli. These are the Yod Fa, if I remember correctly. Here where we took out our garlic, check out that video for the garlic 2026 harvest. These are the mini broccoli. And we are seeing 106 degrees Fahrenheit is the feels like, so I've been trying to keep these watered the best I can. We still have many more things to plant for the fall, different rounds of beets and radish. I could put some carrots in, some more greens, some lettuce, some cold tolerant plants. Subscribe to see if we get a harvest before we have our first frost, and I'll see you in the next video. Grow every day in every way.